Alright guys, today's patient is a Carrier air-cooled chiller from 2009. Had no flow was the alarm. Found the unit in alarm of a T116, which was a low saturation suction temp. The eye surgical center, so they need to keep the room at about 65 to 68 degrees. Right now I have a supply water of, I think it's 40 degrees with a return to 55 degrees. Water temps. Just spoke with the customer. She has a supply of 55 degree air. So right now I'm going to just check some pressures. Just sit here with the unit. Just make sure nothing happens or any faults or alarms. Just monitor it. But yeah, that's my day today on a foggy day. HVAC out.